For years, people kept asking one simple question: where is Apple's foldable phone? While companies like Samsung flooded the market with foldables, Apple stayed silent, slow, and painfully cautious. Now, a new wave of leaks suggests the company is finally preparing to release its first foldable iPhone. According to recent reports, Apple's first foldable iPhone could arrive this fall alongside the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. The timing alone already feels strange. Foldable phones are not new anymore. Apple entering now doesn't look like innovation. It looks like hesitation is finally turning into action. The leaked hardware details are also far from revolutionary. The foldable iPhone is rumored to feature 12 GB of RAM, which sounds impressive until you realize that many premium phones already offer similar memory. Ironically, Samsung will supply Apple with 12 GB LPDDR5X memory chips. So while Apple enters the foldable market late, it may also rely on its rival for one of the device's core components. Storage options were revealed by well-known leaker Instant Digital. According to him, the foldable iPhone will come in 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB variants. That sounds standard, not groundbreaking. In fact, some Pro Max iPhones have already offered larger storage options before, making this lineup feel oddly conservative for a device that will likely cost a small fortune. Design leaks also reveal a questionable direction. A reliable tipster claims Apple may adopt a landscape-first design similar to the Huawei PurX approach from Huawei. When unfolded, the device would be wider than it is tall, creating something closer to opening an iPad mini rather than using a traditional smartphone. Instead of redefining foldables, Apple might simply be reshaping ideas that other companies already explored. Apple reportedly spent years trying to solve one major problem: the crease in foldable displays. While insiders claim the crease on Apple's screen is almost invisible, the reality is that physics still makes a perfect fold impossible. In other words, after years of delay, Apple might still deliver a compromise that other manufacturers have been dealing with for a long time. More hardware details come from leaker Shia Cohen, who says the phone could include a 5.3-inch outer display and a 7.6-inch inner screen. The body may combine titanium and aluminum, and when unfolded, the thickness could reach an extremely thin 4.5 mm. But even here, Apple may remove one of its own signature features by switching from Face ID to Touch ID. Battery rumors point to a 5,600 mAh cell, and leaked CAD renders show a punch-hole camera in the top left corner of the inner display. None of this sounds revolutionary. Pricing leaks from Instant Digital suggest the device could cost 15,999 yuan, 17,999 yuan, and 19,999 yuan in China, depending on storage. That translates to roughly $1,999 for 256 GB, $2,199 for 512 GB, and around $2,399 for 1 TB globally. If the leaks are accurate, Apple could reveal its first foldable iPhone around September alongside the iPhone 18 Pro lineup. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.